Hello future doctors, how are you to all? In this video we are going to discuss formula derivation based problem. It means if we have given numbers of fundamental units, so how we can derive the formula with the help of that units. So that types of problem today we are going to discuss. So now you can see first question on the screen. If the velocity of light small c, gravitational constant capital G and Planck's constant small h are chosen as fundamental units, then the dimensions of mass in new system is. So there is a given some option A is basically given here. Option A is given c power 1 by 2, g power 1 by 2 and h power also 1 by 2. Option B is given c power 1 by 2, g power 1 by 2 and h power minus 1 by 2. Option C is also given c power 1 by 2, g power minus 1 by 2 and h power also 1 by 2. So option D is given c power minus 1 by 2 and g power 1 by 2 and h power 1 upon 2. These are option given, and what they are telling? They are telling what is given there? Given that velocity of light c, gravitational constant capital G, and next what given? That Planck's constant small h. There is a given. They are telling these we are taking as a fundamental units. So how we can define the formula of that mass? So it means let mass is basically proportional to the first is a c, it means c power x, g power y and h power z. Like this we can consider one mass formula. Now whenever you will write like this, after that you will apply the dimensions of both sides. So here is a mass having, so we are going to write that. So we can write here mass only alone present here, so m, length not having, so L naught, time also not having, so T naught. Proportionality we can apply here. C means that is a velocity of light given. So velocity condition means dimensional formula will be LT minus 1, power will be x, and here having that G. So G means if you are going to write that dimensional formula of that G, so you can write here m minus 1 L cube T minus 2. Is it okay? And h power z, h is a Planck's constant, so you can write the Planck constant dimensional formula also, ml square t minus 1. So ml square t minus 1 power z. So this is your first duty to write like this. If suppose that you are writing like this, so what we can consider here, how we can solve this one? First you please arrange m L naught T naught, proportionality you can apply. So here is a given, first you arrange that mass. So here is a m minus 1, here is a power, what power you are getting here? Y. So you can place here y, no problem. So m minus y, so here we can write m power minus y and here m power z. So y minus y plus z we can write like this. Is it okay or not? After this we are going to write about that L. So L here having power x, so L power x, here L cube, so it means plus 3y, and here L 2z, so here we can write plus 2z. Like this we can write, and after this what we are going to write here? That T. So T you can mention here because here is not space having, so T power minus x, here T power minus 2y and here T power minus z. So you got like this. Is it okay or not? So after this what you are going to do? You are going to compare the power of the all this M, L and T. Left hand side will compare with that right hand side. So if you are going to write, so what you can write here, you can write on comparing power, on comparing power, on comparing power. So what you can write here, you can see here minus y plus z. Here is a mass having one power, so this one small equation. And similarly L power not having, it means here L power having x plus 3y and plus 2z is equal to here L naught. So it means 0. Option you can write equation B. And now T you can write, so minus x minus 2y minus z is equal to here also T not having, it means 0. This is equation you can say C, no issues. Now you need to solve this one. When you will solve these values, so what you can consider here, you will consider and you will get the value of x, y, z. X you will get 1 by 2 and y you will get here minus 1 by 2 and z you will get here plus 1 by 2. I already solved, so I am writing here. You please try to solve. Because of saving time I am doing like this. Okay, either you can solve this equation. So after that, if you are going to apply here, so you can write here m proportional to the c power x. So x having 1 by 2, y it means g power y, so g power minus 1 by 2 and h power z, so z means 1 by 2. So it means you are getting these types of formula. It means c power this, g power this and h power this. So which option is showing correct here? So you can see that option C is the right answer of this given problem. I hope you are able to understand. So now after this, if suppose that in this types of problem, very simple having how you can solve like this problem, you will just write left hand side dimensional formula and right hand side dimensional formula. First you will make proportionality symbol like this and you will write like this arrangement. After that you will place that left hand dimensional formula and you will write here right hand dimensional formula. After that you will compare the power, then you will get x, y, z value. After that you will place here. So this is a method having to solving like this problem. Next question you can see on the screen. If the time period capital T of vibration of a liquid drop depends on surface tension capital S, radius small r of the drop and density rho of the liquid, then the expression of capital T is. Again they are asking dimension like that formula. They are asking how we can find that formula with the help of dimensions values. So now option A is given. What option A is given? You can see here. Option A, T is equal to K root rho R cube divided by S. Option B is given. T is equal to K root rho power 1 by 2 R cube divided by S. This complete root having, don't be confused, okay? Option C, T is equal to K root rho R cube divided by S power 1 by 2. And option D, none of these. None of these. 4 options given. Any one option is correct. How we can derive the formula? So that we are going to do. So what is given here? Very simple. Okay. They are asking how time period is depend. We need to find that formula of time period. Okay. So we need what need to find? Formula we need to find T. It means we need to find T is equal to, we need to find what you will get. So what is given here? First situation, they are telling that vibration of a liquid rod depends on surface tension. It means here is the first condition, surface tension given. First depend on surface tension. You can write proper as, okay, and radius of the drop. So radius of the drop r and density of the liquid, density of the liquid rho. So they are asking how the T is depend, which formula you can write here. So same method as you did before. So you can write T is basically proportional to the first S power X, R power Y and rho power Z, like this. First you will mention this one. Okay, if you will remove that proportionality, you will write K there. Last we can write, no problem. So what we can do here, we can write like this also, no issues. T is equal to K because there is a given K form. So S power X, R power Y and rho power Z. So as it is you did before, same you will do here. First you will mention the dimensional formula of the T, then dimensional formula of this surface tension, dimensional formula of this radius, dimensional formula of the density. Is it okay or not? So if suppose that you are going to write, so what you can write here, left hand side dimensional formula m naught because mass not having, L also not having, so T having only. So K, dimensional formula of the surface tension, force per unit length. If suppose that you are going to write that dimensional formula of that surface tension, so you will get there mt power minus 2, here having that power x. Radius means distance you know very well, L power y, and density you know very well, mass per unit volume. So mass per unit volume means you can write ml minus 3 power z. So now again you can compare the power. On comparing power, so comparing power means what you can write here. So see, m power x plus m power z. Here see. So we can write here x plus z. Very carefully, okay? M power x, m power z. So here you can write x plus z. Here m power not means 0. So x plus z is equal to 0. You can say this one like this equation you can say. Okay. And second, L power here 0 having, but right hand side see L power y, L power minus 3z. So y minus 3z is equal to, here L having 0. It means 0. Is it okay? Then T. So T here having 1. So here T power minus 2x. Very good. And here T not having. So minus 2x is equal to what you can write? Is equal to here having 1. So it means 1/3. Now you can solve these all values. After solving this value, you will get one value x, you will get basically from here minus 1/2, and y you can get here 3/2, and basically z you will get here 1/2. So after substituting this value in this equation, this one equation, you can say here this one, you can put the another name of this equation also. Okay, so what you can here you can say equation A, and here you say that A dash. Like this equation you can give the name, no problem, you can give according to you. So now you can place here s power x. So when you are going to place like this value here, so finally after placing this value, so you will get very good answer. That answer is basically is matching. You will get here after placing t is equal to, you will get k root rho r cube divided by s. So option A you will get, this option you will get. You can solve this one, you can just place this value x, y, z value, you can place here. Okay, after that you arrange this value. then you will get the right answer. So that answer is matching that answer A. It means option A. Is it okay? So some question I am giving that in the last video, you please just try to solve that, and you please keep in touch with the help of that WhatsApp. Either you can give the comments also. Please you share your problem, and you will share your problem, then I will know that how I can resolve your problem. Okay, so please cooperate. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video.